Welcome back to our another lesson of Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the match function. Now, what is the match function? Well, the match function basically finds out the specific value or the specific position of a specific range of data by selecting the reference. It is also termed as a lookup function. It is very simple to use. Now you can see that I have a range of data over here, and I also have this specific box over here. Let me just show it to you how this specifically works. Now you can see that I have this box over here where I want the result. So I'm going to do is type in equal, type in match. Open up the parentheses, and then it's going to look up for a specific value, which is the criteria. Now the lookup value is going to be our product, which we have over here. I'm going to put in a comma, and this is going to be the lookup array. Let's say I'm going to do is select the lookup array where I have the range of data and put in a comma, and then I'm going to type in 0 for exact match. Close the parentheses, hit on enter, and mouse belongs to the second row. Now what if I change the value over here? Let's say I'm going to type in keyboard. Hit on enter, and you can see keyboard is in the third. But what if I type in, let's say I'm going to click on this, you can see the NA error appears up. Because when you are using this function, as this is a lookup function, it is very case sensitive. So make sure that it is very specific, key BOARD, and you will see the value will appear up. Let's try the same thing by putting in, let's say, Mike, and you can see 7. Now you can also do something over here, is that removing it and double clicking on it and hitting on enter, and it will also give you the same value. Okay. So now you know basically how the match function works in Microsoft Excel. Even if you want to edit in your own data, let's say I'm going to do is hit on, or let's say as I have Mike, I'm going to do is remove this. I'm going to do is put in hover, hit on enter, and you can see it will also show me an NA error. Because in the specific range of data, there is no such thing as Mike. Now I'm going to put in Mike over here. Now, instead of 7, it will give me the answer 4. So hope you learned everything in this lesson. And in the next lesson, we're going to learn about the index and trim function.